you guys, welcome to Kudatech. I am Kuya Da. This is my son, Yu. And today I'm going to show you if this Acer laptop is upgradable for RAM and also SSD. I'm going to show you this laptop model is it? Yeah. Acer Aspire A315. Oh, it's blurred. A315-53-389 Victory. Don't worry, I'm going to put the complete model of this laptop to the title and also the description. Okay, first, I'm going to show you if this kind of model of laptop is upgradable. By the way, this laptop is powered by Intel Core i3 7th generation, and also it has a built-in 4 GB RAM and 1 TB hard drive. And I'm going to show you that this laptop has another slot for RAM upgrade. RAM upgrade is compatible for this laptop is DDR4 2400 Kingston or Transcend. Up to recommended is you can put another 8 GB RAM, so that the total of your RAM is 12 GB. That's enough for the normal use. The power for the normal use, you can multitask, open a lot of browser and also applications at the same time. But to make this laptop fast enough, you can upgrade into M.2 SSD. Yes, this one. This slot is for the M.2 SSD. Yes, the regular M.2 SSD, the 10 times faster. Maybe you can. I will recommend to you the Kingston SA400 M.2 for the upgrade of this laptop. By the way, you can put here at least 512 GB or 512 GB RAM, 512 GB for SSD M.2, and this one is for 8 GB RAM. Alright guys, that's all for now. And then I'm still going to fix this laptop. I have another video for the laptop problem of for the laptop power button problem. If you want to watch that part of the video, you can browse to my video list about how can I fix this laptop, or how can I open this laptop without the power button on the keyboard. Right guys, keep safe.